Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund a Wizz airplane tickets in 2024. So sometimes travel plans change and knowing how to get a refund for your flights can be very essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Wizz airplane ticket in 2024. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Before requesting like a refund, it's important to understand Wizz Air refund policy. Wizz Air typically offers different options based on the ticket type and circumstances. Refund eligibility and conditions may vary, so it's best to check your ticket terms and conditions or even visit the Air official Wizz Air official website for specific details. For example, I'll just go and open a browser for you. You can do the same. Go to here, go to Wizz like air, type with air, go to the first link, or simply as example, of course, I'll just go open that. And here, as example, I'll just add a refund here. So add the refund. You can first of all read the refund policy, then simply refund like tickets. So we can go first of all and read the policy. So as you can see, refund and compensations. So up to 2 weeks, as you can see, and the fee will be 60 like euros to 80 euros. Cancel your reservation earlier than the 14th day before departure, and you only have to pay the cancellation fee to receive a refund. As an example, so and of course, as we said, all you need to pay is simply this 60 bucks or 60 like euros, which is gonna be like 61, 62 bucks or something like that. Or until of course 80. So if it's your flight, like example, maybe 100, 1000, it can be worth. It will be worth. And of course, you have this within 2 weeks. So if you cancel within 14 days of your flight departure, you will need to pay a higher fee. It's gonna be like at just 20 euros or 20 like bucks more, but you will not pay the fees. You'll pay plus services, as you can see. So you will not be able to refund the cost, and you will not be able to refund the cost of the service purchased. And you have this expecting changes gets the Wizz Flex. So if you purchase the Wizz Flex, as example tickets, this will allow you to change the date, time, and routing of your flight online any number of times. So you can learn more about the Swiss Flex as example here. Of course, it's going to be a bit more expensive if you're trying to catch a flight, but it will be even better if you're still not very sure about the exact like time that you're going to travel with. But as you can see, this is not a refund policy, or this is a refund, but if you're not traveling or something like that, as example. So you have three options to do so. As you can see, you have here like voluntary cancellation by passengers, acceptable payments in case of cancellation, as example. So first of all, like they'll tell you like to refund or to cancel a reservation. Basically, you need to log in and make a choice within your reservation owner Wizz profile. If you experience any difficulties, please contact the Wizz Air call center. As you can see, they'll probably give you here the mail or the phone number, as example, so you can contact them. As you can see, of course, process of cancellation or reservation. This includes more than one passenger. They have here some steps that you'll need to go through. So in order to cancel a reservation, please log into the profile, select the reservation that you wish to cancel, select the passengers, of course, confirm the cancellation, and please note in case the original reservation was fully or partially paid by Wizz voucher, the cancellation of a reservation is possibly only for all passengers on all flights at the same time. Of course, applicable payments in case of cancellations, reservations, as we said before, 60 to 90 before like 14 days. Within the 14 days, 80 to 100 plus, of course, the services. And if cancellation made more than 14 days prior to departure, the passenger is entitled to the refund of the total fare after dedication of the cancellation fee and the recovery of the Wizz Discounts Club benefits. And then cancellation made within 14 days, of course, the refund of total fare after dedication, cease protection fee, the recovery of the Wizz Discounts Club, and other services, as you can see. So recovery of Wizz Discounts Club benefits, they show you how to do it in here. And yeah, and that's basically how to get a refund. So all you need to do as they say, simply log in into your account. So click on sign in, make sure to sign in into your account. If you don't have an account, of course, just go and create an account. It should not take a lot of time from you. As you can see, all you need to do is just some informations. But of course, if you're just creating your account, you probably don't even have like a ticket yet. Or I don't know if you can like pay for a plane if you don't have an account. So let's just go as example here and try. So example, maybe from this to this. Yeah, I'll just go, okay, return. I'll just do a random date in here. Click on search as example. I'll just choose like random flights here. Okay, okay, I want this one. Just go and select this one. Why not? Continue. Okay, why not? Go with this. Selects whatever it is. Or yeah, so, okay, I'll just go and choose this and here, of course, click on continue. And yeah, accept, click on continue. I still need to do something else. So this is of course to log in like join the club. So to join the club, of course, you'll have to sign in. So normally, if you are not, if you don't have an account, you'll probably have to call the center. Of course, you'll have to give them the tickets and etc. But if you have an account, basically, you'll need to go to your profile. After going to your profile, of course, as you can see, you'll have to follow whatever is saying here. So once you go to your profile, of course, select the reservation that you wish to cancel, of course, and you will have a cancel option in there. Just go and click on it and you'll be able to refund your tickets without any problems. You'll be able to request a refund. Of course, if you're on your phone, you can simply click on manage booking or refund booking. You'll find it like on your phone. If you go to your profile, then of course, reservation, and depending on the interface, we will have to follow the prompts to initiate like the request, the refund request, and you may need to provide like a reason for the refund or and any maybe necessary documentation for that also. Of course, be aware for the refund processing time. Wizz Air typically process refund time certain like within a certain time frame, but it may vary depending on the payments method used and the reason, as example, for the refund request. So you can check the confirmation email on Wizz Air website for estimated like processing times. And yeah, normally that's gonna be it. You will receive a confirmation once you was there refunded. And yeah, of course, some tips like just to expedite the refund process, ensure that all information provided is accurate and complete. Contact the Wizz Air customer service if you have any questions or concerns about your refund request, and keep records of your communications and booking details for references. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.